New parts day for the Tenere via China. First we got the NICECNC extended foot pegs. Try those out. And then we have Ching Chong a Ding Dong high fender kit. This is the hybrid kit, so you still get half of a low fender. The front fender is only the half. To do the extra one, the expensive one, you need to do a drop bracket on here and relocate your brake lines, and it hangs low. So we'll see what this one looks like. Literally like a 30-second job. Here's the size comparison. A little more meat on them too, down on the bike. Lowers on, it actually gives you a little bit more clearance between the tire and that fender. Obviously it's just a half, but you still get the rad exhaust in the front of the engine support until you get a full skid plate. There we go, between the foot pegs and the fender kit. There's the old one. That took me like half an hour. Fit and finish on the Chinese lower fender actually went really well. All these little clips fit in perfectly. And they give you some adjustments so you can raise this up, give you a little bit more clearance. And aside from me dropping this fender on the ground a couple times and scratching it already, it went pretty quick. Figured I'd get these parts on before we go for our good ride Thursday. Got a few of our friends going to the bike show. And as well as maybe a new bike pickup. Stay tuned.